Back in 2018 and 2019, I took a facial reflexology course to use in my treatment room at that time. In reflexology, it is understood that all of the organs throughout the body are connected to the hands, the feet, and the face through the nervous system. So when we massage the feet, hands, or the face, or all three, we can help to really calm the nervous system through the nerves that run through these areas. Self-massage allows us to be really present with ourselves, and the self-touch that we provide for ourselves helps to bring a sense of calm and safety to the body. So personally, my favorite is the face massage, but you can also massage your hands and your feet, or you can have someone else do that for you in order to also add some co-regulation into this practice to really even enhance it more. So for this one, I am doing a face massage. So I already added a little bit of oil to my face. I used my Sacred Calm oil from my Her Soul Intention skincare line. However, I would also recommend using either jojoba oil, or you can use hemp seed oil, or maybe grapeseed oil too. So to do this, we are not doing a firm pressure. We're actually the nerves are just under the surface of the skin. They're very superficial. So we're just massaging really light. So just going in circular motions, maybe going the width of about a nickel into the skin. It's just very, very surface level. Really slowly, we are going to cover every area of the face. So starting along the jawline, remembering to take nice big deep breaths as you're doing this. And coming across the upper lip. And once you learn how to do this and you don't need this video in order to do it, it's also nice to play some relaxation music while you're doing this, maybe some 432 hertz. And even covering the nose. And if you want, you can spend a little extra time around the temples. And you can choose to go at your own pace. If there's any area where you notice a little bit of tension, you can spend a little bit of extra time in that area. Or you can even just spend a little bit of extra time on the entire face. You don't have to go at the speed that I'm going. I am going a little faster in terms of covering the entire face, just for the purpose of this video. But you could spend, anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes doing this for yourself. And just covering every little surface area on your entire face. Nice, slow, gentle movements, and remembering to breathe. If you want, you can even come around the eyes. And when that's done, if you want, you can even move up into the scalp. Just doing the same thing. The nerves go all through the scalp as well. Just really gently massaging your scalp in circular motions. I love having my scalp massaged, even if it's just my own self doing it. Like immediately as I start doing this, I notice that my breath becomes deeper and I can really feel like a nice kind of like tingling relaxation sensation happening in my body right now. My breathing is still deepening, and I'm definitely feeling a little more calm than I was even just 5 minutes ago. Okay, so you can do that to the face. If you want, add in the scalp, and then you can, of course, massage your hands, just massaging the palms, even massaging up your fingers, covering the entire surface area of the inside of your hand. And then you can also do that to your feet too. So massaging the bottom of your foot. I recommend doing it in a seated position. Just bringing your foot up if you can. Not everyone can reach their feet, and that is okay if you can't, but bringing your foot up onto your lap so that the bottom of your foot is kind of somewhat facing upward, and just putting some lotion or some oil on there, or you may even just be able to massage without needing anything. And just really massaging all of your toes, massaging the entire surface area of the bottoms of your feet. So try the face massage, add in the scalp massage if you want to. Try massaging both of your hands, try massaging both of your feet, and just see which area you like best. And you can add this into your daily routine. Maybe you like all three, and that's fine. But you can decide which body part you like best, and just choose to focus on that, or even rotate between the three body parts each day, rotating through and kind of adding it all in. So the choice is yours, but this personally for me is one of my favorite techniques, and I hope you enjoy it.